This segment is sponsored by Roxana Ehsani and Ben's Original. It's officially National Nutrition Month, and we have registered dietitian nutritionist Roxana Ehsani here to share some easy, nutritious, balanced meals we can whip up for lunch or dinner. Welcome back, Roxana. Great to see you. Of course.
To be here.
Yeah.
So National Nutrition Month is a great time to kind of check in, make sure that our meals are balanced. And two staples that I always make sure people have on their plate is chicken and rice. So I like to say that Ben's Original Ready Rice is chicken's best friend because nothing pairs together perfectly as chicken and rice. And there's, whether you're making something really quick or you're making something more elaborate, right? Chicken can always be rice's best friend, or vice versa.
Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah. And you shared a lot of great reasons, but what makes Ben's Original your go-to for meals?
Yeah, so Ben's Original is all about hassle-free, tasty, nutritious meals, and these pouches come together in 90 seconds. So you just have to pop them in the microwave, done in 90 seconds on your table, and they come in so many different varieties. So we have jasmine, we have fried rice, we have lemon and herb, we have roasted chicken, so many different varieties you can pop together.
And so easy,
so
too.
Easy.
Can you walk us through one of your favorite meals with Ben's?
Absolutely. So have you heard of the viral chicken in a bag recipe?
No.
So we will whip it up. So here we're actually going to be using Ben's Original roasted chicken, ready rice. So you're going to tear it open, pop it in the microwave for 90 seconds. I already did that for us.
Okay.
While the rice cooks, you're going to just shred up your chicken. So I already did that.
Got it. So you grab a rotisserie, you shred it up.
Yep. So you throw it back in the bag. The bag almost is like your mixing bowl or mixing plate, right? And it also can be your serving plate as well. So we'll add the cooked rice in there. Then we'll add a bunch of flavors to it as well. So green onions.
Looks delicious. I see all the herbs in the rice. Yeah.
We'll add some crispy scallions, some sriracha for heat. We'll add some soy sauce as well.
Put that in everything.
Yeah. Some chili crisp. And then finally some mayo.
Mayo.
Yeah,
here we
go. And then you can just close the bag, shake it up, or we can use these tongs, mix it together.
Just like this is
right?
easy.
And then we have a flavorful, really delicious, crunchy meal. It's creamy, you know, and it's ready in literally minutes.
Wow, I feel like the kids could make this too and have fun with it.
Absolutely. Yeah, kids are coming home for spring break, right? So these recipes could all work for them too.
That's awesome. What else did you make here?
So here I made rice and spice tostadas using Ben's Spanish style rice. I topped it with chicken, of course, some salsa, some guacamole and lettuce, meal together in minutes. And then over here, if you're looking for a personal sized meal, right, this is great for lunch. You can use any of Ben's Original little single serve pouches, which is a new product.
Yeah.
I'm using jasmine rice, but you could use roasted chicken. I put that in the microwave for 3.5 minutes with a little bit water. While that cooks, you can chop up some toppings, so cucumbers, some tomatoes, feta cheese, mix it all together, and you have a Mediterranean bowl in a cup.
So easy, so delicious, and it looks so healthy too.
Yes.
That's what I love for me and my kids.
Yes.
This is amazing. Where can people go to find more information?
Sure, so you can visit bensoriginal.com or find them on Instagram at Ben's Original.
All right, I'm doing that ASAP. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. We want you to know that for more information and more delicious recipes, visit bensoriginal.com or follow Ben's Original on Instagram.